Alrighty, so tomorrow is the big day, 22nd of March, 11 a.m. IST, in which we are going to do the massive grand prize winner announcement, $10,697 worth of winner announcement. Along with that, 9 more premium lucky winners. All of this is going to happen tomorrow live right in front of you in a massive grand, lucky giveaway. Along with that, a lot of massive surprises, not just this, but a lot more, and a lot of good learning to be coming your way. All of that is something which is going to happen tomorrow. But before that, in this video, let me share something very, very important, okay? As of now, you have entered the $10,697 giveaway, right? But now there are two ways in which you can multiply your chances of winning. See, you have already entered, but now it's time to multiply your chances so that you can actually win, right? What you can do is, see, understand this. Let's suppose only 5 people have entered the giveaway, although the number is about to reach 5,000. But let's just understand from the example point of view, okay? Let's suppose only 5 people have entered the giveaway and you are one of them, which means that everybody has a 20% chance of winning the giveaway. But let's suppose if you watch the free training, okay, that we have given to you already, we have given you a free training. In case you have not yet seen, check your emails when you signed up for the giveaway, or you just go to the giveaway page, which was this page, giveaway-special, okay, sp.fleximas.com/giveaway-special. On this page, we have given you a free training that you just need to watch. Have a look at this, get free membership access. Click on this, sign up, watch that training, right? And now, as soon as you watch that training, your chances will be multiplied by 3 times. So let's imagine 5 people have signed up for the giveaway and now you have seen this training. So now your name is going to come into the giveaway 3 times, while the other 4 people, their name is going to come into the giveaway only 1 time. So now your probability of winning has gone up from 20% to 43% by investing just 1 hour watching that particular training, right? And that training in itself is super valuable. So it will give you value in terms of understanding how to make 6-figure per month income online, right? So the impact of watching the training, your chances will be multiplied by 3 times, right? So this is there right on the thank you page, and it's also sent to your email and WhatsApp. You can check it right over there. Step number 2 is you have also received a unique referral link using which you can refer to any other person. Now imagine this. When you refer to anybody, even just one person, okay, your chances gets doubled. When you refer to more people, your chances get multiplied. So here's the rule, okay? If any person you referred, if they win the grand prize, you also win the grand prize. So now there are going to be 2 people who are going to win the grand prize, right? So let's have a look at this. Let's suppose there are 5 people who have entered the giveaway. You are the one person who have seen the training 3 times, right? And now you have also referred to one more person, which means now there are 6 people in the giveaway. All of them have seen the training, let's suppose just once, just an example, right? And this person is being referred by you. So now out of these 6 people, your chances of winning is 50%. Are you getting it? So just by watching that training and just by referring to just one person, your chances of winning are multiplying like a lot, right? And now imagine if you refer to 5 people, right? And same example, your chances of winning is 56%. Let's suppose you refer to 5 people, you get 8 shots. You refer 20 people, you get 23 shots. And by the way, for every referral also, we have a lot of gift that you will keep on winning. Basically, these we have given you some of our secret prompts, some of our custom GPTs that we use internally within our company. We are running a 9-figure company. So all of those internal resources we are sharing with you as a free resource. All of that is an extra win that you are going to be getting when you refer to other people. That's something which in itself is super valuable, by the way, right? And you can refer to as many people as you want. You can refer to 10 people, 50 people, whatever it is, right? And by the way, how will you get your unique referral link? It is already sent to your email. It is already sent to your WhatsApp, and when you will go to the referral page, you will right on the referral page, you will find this button right at the top wherein you have received your unique referral link. See, this is mine, okay? Don't copy this one. I will win if you copy this one, right? So this is the unique referral link. So just copy your unique referral link from the giveaway page, from the thank you page, right? When you registered for the giveaway, let me tell you, you would have received an email like this. Subject line registered, your birthday special giveaway referral dashboard access. You can search for the subject line. In this email, you would have received your username and password. Okay, using which you will be able to log into your referral dashboard, wherein you can see how many people you have referred, how many points you have gained, all of that. And your unique referral link will be right over here. Right, so see, since this is my unique referral link, so this exact unique referral link is visible to me on the thank you page also, right? So your unique referral link is sitting right inside your email. You can search for this email subject line. We have also sent it to you on other emails also. We have also sent it to you on WhatsApp also, and you will also find it on the thank you page, right? So multiple ways to find it out. And we have also created a video using which wherein we have shared how you can find a unique referral link. So all of that is also there, right? And yeah, so let's come back to the PPT. So yeah, your 2-minute action plan. Number one, watch the 60-minute training, which is there inside your membership area. The link is right there on the thank you page, right? Giveaway hyphen special. So, and we have also sent it to you on email. Just watch that training, invest the time today. You will learn 15 ways to make 6-figure per month income. Number one. Number two, your chances of winning will be 3x just by watching this training. And then refer to anybody, right? So you have your unique referral link, share it with your friends, your family, your network, your social media, anywhere you can, your WhatsApp group, whatever WhatsApp group you are a part of. See, education is the biggest gift that you can give to anybody. So people will be learning how to set up their online business. People will be learning how to set up a online income stream. People will be learning how to start multiple streams of income. Somebody will be learning how to start a side hustle income along with their job. Somebody will find new ways to get more income under their belt so that they can live a better life. Again, education is the biggest gift that you can give to anybody. And right over here, when you are gifting them this gift of education, they are not just winning the grand prize, for which people are actually paying $10,000, as well as you are also getting the chance to win, right? So it's a multiple win for everybody involved, right? So do that. This is your quick action plan for today. Watch the training, refer to anybody you can, just copy your link, share it everywhere. Just invest 5 minutes, okay? Copy your link, share everywhere. Put it on your WhatsApp story, Instagram story, social media, WhatsApp groups that you are a part of. Maybe send it to some people on email, maybe send it to some people on WhatsApp, and let them take action, right? No force. If they feel like hey, this is something which can actually change my life, let them take action, right? And even if just one person signs up to your link, your chances are doubled. That is something which is most important, right? And then most important, show up on 22nd of March, which is tomorrow at 11 a.m. IST. That is something which is the most important part. I'm going to see you. So don't just enter, multiply your chances. See, winners have this one thing in common, and that is that they always look for ways to increase their probability of success, right? So tomorrow there is going to be one $10,000, $697 grand prize winner. Maybe if somebody referred, right, they win, then we are going to have 2 winners plus 9 runner-up winners who will be getting FlexiFinance Premium access. So total 10 winners plus a lot of learning, a lot of fun, a lot of new surprises, and a few announcements. It is going to be a massive live event that we are going to be hosting tomorrow, right? So 22nd March, 11 a.m. IST. I'm going to see you there, right over there.